everyone, my name is Avaley and today I will be cooking for you taco stuffed shells. So I will tell you the 6 ingredients for taco stuffed shells. The first ingredient is 12 ounces of jumbo pasta shells. The second ingredient is 1 pound of ground beef. The third ingredient is 1 packet of taco seasoning. The fourth ingredient is 2/3 cup of water. The fifth ingredient is 1.5 cup of salsa divided. And the sixth ingredient is 1 cup of shredded cheese divided. So right now I have my pasta shells boiling, and a trick is if you don't want anything to overflow, you can grab a wooden spoon and just set it right over top, and then nothing will boil over. And I'm also browning my ground beef, and if you want a healthier choice, you can use ground turkey. So I have this all ready, and I also preheated my oven to 350 degrees. And so now I will be adding 2/3 cup of water to my ground beef and a taco seasoning packet. And then the taco seasoning. And then I'll mix it all around. So now I have my fully cooked ground beef, and I cooked it until the water was gone and until the packet of seasoning was completely mixed in. And now I have to add 3/4 cup of cheese and 1 cup of salsa. So I'll add the cheese first, and I turned the burner on so that way the cheese would melt easier. Now I have to add 1 cup of salsa. And then I will mix until it is completely mixed in. So now I have my noodles ready, and I am spreading them apart and scooping some of the meat out with a spoon, making sure I don't burn myself if it drops, and then just simply putting it into the shell, folding the shell back up, and sticking it in the pan. And then once I am done doing this, I will put since it was divided, since the cheese and the salsa was divided, I will put the rest of our cheese and salsa on top. So that way it kind of makes a coat for our shells and makes them more flavorful. So now I have all my noodles stuffed, and now I have to take a 1/2 cup of salsa and sprinkle it on top. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to take 1/4 cup of cheese and sprinkle that on top too. And then I will put it in the oven for 15 minutes covered. And for covered, I'm just going to use some tin foil because this pan does not have a lid. So